Hello, guys, and welcome to today's episode. Today, we're going to be learning on how to make an earring that is themed with the Kenyan colors. Kindly stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content with other beaders. Thank you so much. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So the items we'll require for making the Kenyan earring are 0.3 millimeters fishing line. We'll also need a nail cutter to cut the fishing line. We'll need beads. The beads that we require are a black, white, red, and green, which are the Kenyan colors. We'll need pliers for opening and closing the earring hooks, and finally we'll also need a pair of earring hooks like this, so that we finish up. When we're finishing, we'll hook them up to the earrings. So we start. So you pour your beads onto your plate, the ones that you're going to use for this project, namely black color, white color, red color, and white color. Those are the primary colors that are used in the Kenyan flag. So you cut your fishing line to approximately 12 inches or 18 inches of length, and then now we begin. You hold your fishing line on both ends like this, and then we're going to begin with the green side. So you pick 3 green beads from the right side, and then you pick a green bead from the left side, and then you crisscross on it. You put the fishing line from the other end through the bead like that. I hope you've seen that. So, and then you pull the bead down slowly until you have a star like this one. As you can see, the green star comprising of 4 beads. That's what you're supposed to have. Then you continue. You pick a green bead on the right side, a green bead on the left side, and then you pick a final green bead on either side, and then you crisscross on that green bead. Make sure that on each step we are together. Make sure that on each step you make sure that your fishing line is balanced, so that you have something that is neat and smart by the end of this video. We proceed. You pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then now you pick a red bead, and then you crisscross on the red bead like this, and then you continue. You pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then a final red bead on the right, and you crisscross on it like that. You should have something that looks like this. So we proceed. You pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you pick a black bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the black bead. Remember, we're making the length now. Should have something that looks like this. Proceed. Pick a black bead on the right, a black bead on the left, and then you add another black bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the right. Then you pull down just like that. This is the basic principle of doing beadwork. The only thing that changes is colors, but mostly this right angle weave is what we use when we are beading. So we proceed. Pick a black bead on the right, another black bead on the right, then a black bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the left black bead. By doing this, we are making a corner. This is cornering. I hope you see that. That's how the corner is done. This is one of the most challenging bits for some of us, so I hope you've seen how we're doing the cornering. And then now slowly we're going to pick two beads on the right, black beads on the right, 1, 2, and then you pick a final black bead on the left, and then you you crisscross. By doing that, you've done a perfect corner. Now it's like that. You should see that's now you see we've made a corner. We are coming from this side, now we're going back, and then now you pick the fishing line that is next to the bead art like that, and then you pass it through the black bead like that. That's the cornering. And then now after you've cornered, you're going to start using 2 beads on each side instead of 3. Now you're going to be using 2. Now you pick 1 black bead on the right, 1 black bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the left black bead like that. Then you pull down. You should have something that looks like this. Make sure that on each step we are together. You pass the fishing line through the white bead like that. Yes, and then you pick a white bead on the right, and then you pick a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead. If it's your first time coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this content with other beaders or people that you know love art. We're going to be uploading according to some of your suggestions, so please don't forget to suggest what you'd love to see. We've proceeded by putting 1 red bead on the right, 1 red bead on the left, and then we've crisscrossed with the red bead from the left, and then you pass the fishing line through the white bead like that. I hope you can see the demonstration clearly. And then you pick a white bead on the right and a green bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the green bead like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the green bead like that. Then you pick a green bead from the right, a green bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the green bead from the right, left, like that. You pass the fishing line again. Now mark that at this point we want to make another corner, so you pick a green bead from the right, a green bead from the left, but this time we crisscross on the green bead from the right. Guys, thank you for the continued comments, suggestions. As you can see, that is what you're supposed to have by this point. So you continue, you pick 2 beads which are green from the left, this is part of making the corner. I hope if this gives you a problem, please be keen and observe it. And then you pick a green bead from the right, and then you crisscross on the green bead from the right. You should have something that looks like this. That's what cornering is about. And then now don't forget to pass the fishing line like that through the next bead, like that. Yeah. Please make sure that your artwork looks like this by this point. And then we proceed. You pick a green bead from the right, a green bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the green bead from the right, left. You should have something that looks like this. You can also check out more of our videos on our channel. We have uploaded several videos on tutorials, on some samples of our artworks. So kindly go to our playlist or our videos, and you can see some tutorials and artworks that you have done before, and I'm sure you'll learn something there. We've proceeded by passing the fishing line through the red bead. And then you pick a red bead from the right, a red bead from the left. Then you crisscross from the red bead from the left, like this. You should have something that looks like this. Remember guys, this is just the same procedure we're repeating. There's nothing that changes, only the thing that changes mostly is when you're making a corner. You pick a white bead from the right, a black bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left. Continue. Pass the fishing line through the next black bead like that. Pick a black bead from the right, black bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left, like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the black bead, the next black bead. Then you pick now you're making another corner. You pick a black bead from the right, a black bead from the left, then you crisscross on the black bead from the right. Guys, we are halfway through the work. You should have something that looks like this. Please make sure that your artwork looks like this by this point. And on this point, I'd love you to go to the second video so that you can see the continuation on how to make this earring. Please check out the second video on how to make the Kenyan earring so that you can complete making the earring. Thank you.